mini cheesecake. And here is my helper, my mom. So we need butter, eggs, and crackers. Oh, and cream cheese. So I'm gonna pour my butter and mix it with my crackers. All of it?
Yes.
That was fun. These are
Give to your help. Yeah, just mix.
Okay, now I'm finished mixing, so I can use this ice cream thing. And now I'm gonna scoop it up and pour it in here.
Good job.
What? That was easy. I don't even have to release it. Okay, so what we need for this?
Loud.
Okay, so what we need for this is 2 cheese.
Cream cheese.
2 cream cheese.
Here's your helper. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. And now we need 3 eggs.
Oh. Okay, put it there. Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I think I'll be more aware now.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yes, I got more aware. Ooh. Yeah, it's all gray.
It happened. Yeah.
It's already coming out.
It's okay.
That is fun to crack eggs. So now we mix it, and now we mix it all together.
Yeah. Start.
Like this?
Yeah. Can I help you?
Yes, please. Got it.
Put it down. Yeah. For how many minutes?
For 5 minutes.
Okay. Until what? Until all mix it?
Huh?
Until all mix it?
Until all mixed, until all smooth, or 5 minutes.
Okay.
Mostly 5 minutes.
Wow, I think all is coming nice now.
Mom, of course it is.
Huh?
Of course it's coming nice.
More? Yeah.
So now I'm going to take it and...
Yeah, you're doing good.
So now I'm going to take it and so now I'm going to scoop it up and put it in...
Oh, what about your...
Oh yeah, I mean...
What's
first,
that?
First we have to do...
Constant milk?
First we have to do condensed milk. So this is condensed milk. So now we're going to pour it in. All of it?
Yeah.
All of it?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna pour all of it in. It's kind of smooth. Yay!
It's creamy?
Well, kind of, I think. Well, it's nice and soft. It's softer than this.
Mix it.
Okay, so now we're gonna mix again.
To push it up, yeah.
Up. Mix it slow.
Make it high.
Right? So now I'm going to scoop it and I'm going to put it in these little holes. Wait. Hello everyone, I came back for part 2. Today I'm going to be making mini cheesecakes. So I put it in, the whole thing. So I'm going to put in my whipping cream, so put all of it in.
You're doing good.
Thanks, Mommy. Okay. And put 2 spoon sugars. Mama?
Yeah. Or maybe you can add 1 more 3 spoon sugar.
Put 3 spoon sugar aside. Oops.
It's okay. It happened.
Yeah. Oops.
Good.
Okay, stop. Did I just put on now? So now I'm supposed to... Wow, it's
Good
easy.
job.
Really? So now we put a caramel sauce on the cheesecakes, and now we're gonna decorate them. And just in case, I need to tell you, I'm not so good at icing because I've never done it. I think.
It's okay.
Okay.
You're doing good.
Thanks. This is pretty easy,
Yeah, it is very easy.
and you can also do it with different designs.
Yeah, however you want.
Yeah.
Good job.
And one more.
The second one is the second one.
Oh, and I want to do a swirl one. I did it! I did it! Down on those haters.
Okay, again. 1 more.
Okay, like this one?
Yeah, and your good helper, she's gonna help you. Your helper for today. Who is your helper?
Mommy!
Good job. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, Mama. Mommy, let's put that. Get that out. Get it out.
Whoa.
Yay!
That's my girl.
Just go. Ah!
Oh, it's almost done. I think the icing.
Do we have any more?
I think so. I'll check. Oh, it's okay, but you did great job.
Bye.
Good job.
Oops.
Wait.
Okay. Now I got it. Yay!
Okay, go to the second one.
Okay. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, never mind. Yay!
That's my girl.
Ooh, I think this is good enough. Okay. Hiya.
Yes. One more. I hope your icing is enough.
Hopefully. Hiya.
Good job.
Okay.
Okay.
This is perfect.
Okay.
Wait. Thank you for watching. I hope it tastes delicious.
Say it again.
Thank you for watching. I hope it tastes delicious.
Yes, of course it's delicious.